Most smart home lists are just smart bulbs and a plug you'll forget about in a week. This is not that. These are the 15 devices that actually do a chore for you, watch your house while you're gone, or catch a disaster before it wrecks your month, the stuff most people on your street don't have yet. A few of these are going to feel like cheating. Let's get into it. Number 15. Roborock Saros Z70 Robot Vacuum with an Arm. You've seen robot vacuums. You have not seen one with an arm. The Saros Z70 is the first mass-produced RoboVac with a foldable 5-axis Omni-Grip arm that literally reaches down, grabs your stray socks and small toys, and drops them into a bin you choose so it clears the floor before it even starts vacuuming. Pair that with 22,000 pascal suction, hot water mopping, and a dock that washes and dries the mop pads itself, and you've basically hired a tiny live-in housekeeper. Number 14. Eufy E15 Robot Lawn Mower. Here's the chore nobody misses, mowing. The Eufy E15 quietly kills it, no boundary wires to bury, no antenna on a pole. It uses cameras and AI to actually see your yard, map it on your phone, and cut clean parallel stripes while dodging obstacles as small as a tennis ball. Set a schedule and just come home to a finished lawn. It even has built-in GPS anti-theft so nobody walks off with it. If your Saturdays disappear into yard work, it's basically a Roomba for grass. Number 13. Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pool Robot. Pool owners know the pain, dragging out a corded cleaner that ties itself into a knot. The Beatbot AquaSense 2 is completely cordless. Drop it in and it maps the pool with 16 sensors, scrubs the floor, climbs the walls, double passes the water line, then parks itself at the surface so you're not fishing it off the bottom. It even drains its own water before you lift it, so retrieval is light. This is the rare gadget that turns the pool into it's already done. Number 12. ECOVACS Winbot W2 Window Cleaning Robot. Be honest, when did you last clean the outside of your windows? The Winbot W2 Omni is a robot that sticks to glass and does it for you. It sprays, scrubs edge to edge, plans its own path, and clings on with 5,500 pascals of suction plus a multi-stage safety system and a backup so it won't drop. Floor-to-ceiling windows, mirrors, glass doors, it handles them while you watch from the couch. Streak-free glass with no ladder and no squeegee. Number 11. Litter Robot 4 Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Cat people, this one's genuinely life-changing. The Litter Robot 4 automatically sifts the waste after every visit, drops it into a sealed, carbon-filtered drawer, and leaves your cat a fresh bed of litter so you never scoop again. But here's the clever part, it weighs your cat each time and tracks their bathroom habits in the app, which can flag health changes before you'd ever notice. It's quieter than older models and handles up to 4 cats. Scooping is a tiny daily misery you forget the second it's gone. Number 10. Eufy FamiLock S3 Max, Palm Vein Lock. Keys are so last decade, but so are cold morning fingerprints. The Eufy FamiLock S3 Max unlocks using your palm vein pattern, a biometric that's almost impossible to fake and reads in well under a second. It's also a 2K HDR doorbell camera and a keypad deadbolt in one, with a little screen on the inside so kids or grandparents can see who's at the door without ever touching a phone. No monthly fee, and footage stays stored locally. It's the entryway upgrade that makes a regular lock feel ancient. Number 9. Bird Buddy Pro AI Bird Feeder. This one is pure joy. The Bird Buddy Pro is a feeder with a camera that snaps crisp close-ups of every bird that lands, then uses AI to tell you exactly what species it is, recognize your individual regulars, and even flag signs of illness. You get little photo postcards and live streams on your phone, and you can invite family to your feeder too. It turns an ordinary backyard into a wildlife show you happen to star in. Number 8. Moen Flow Smart Water Shutoff. This is the unglamorous device that quietly prevents a catastrophe. The Moen Flow installs on your main water line and watches everything. It can catch a leak as small as a single drop per minute, even hiding behind walls or under floors. If a pipe bursts while you're away, it shuts the water off automatically and pings your phone instantly. It also shows your daily usage so you can stop wasting. Water damage is one of the most common and expensive home disasters out there, and this thing stands guard 24/7. You forget it exists right up until the day it pays for itself. Number 7. SureFlap Microchip Pet Door. Tired of the neighbor's cat strolling in to eat your pet's food? The SureFlap reads your pet's existing microchip, the one they already have, and only unlocks for them. No special collar, no extra tag. Stray cats, raccoons, and uninvited guests stay outside. Your animal walks in and out freely. You can set a curfew so it locks at night, and the Connect version pings your phone the moment they come home. A small upgrade that ends a daily annoyance and keeps your pet's dinner safe. Number 6. SwitchBot Curtain 3. Don't want to replace your curtains to make them smart? Good news, you don't have to. The SwitchBot Curtain 3 clips onto your existing rod, hides behind the fabric, and silently glides the curtains open and closed. Set it to open with the sunrise so you wake up naturally, close at dusk, or just say open the curtains with a hub. It runs nearly silent in quiet drift mode, and a little solar panel keeps it topped up so you basically never touch it. It feels weirdly luxurious every single morning. Number 5. AeroGarden Harvest Lite Indoor Garden. Picture snipping fresh herbs in the dead of winter. The AeroGarden Harvest Lite is a soil-free countertop garden. You drop in pods, fill the tank, and its full-spectrum LED grow light and automatic timer handle the rest. It even tells you when to add water and plant food, and your herbs grow faster than they would in soil, with zero mess. Kitchen, apartment, dorm, office, it fits anywhere and looks good doing it. There's something quietly great about cooking with herbs you grew 3 feet away. Number 4. TOTO Washlet C5 Smart Bidet. Okay, hear me out, the Smart Bidet seat is the upgrade owners cannot stop talking about. The TOTO Washlet C5 bolts onto your existing toilet and adds a heated seat, a warm water wash you fully control, a warm air dryer, and an air deodorizer. The wand self-cleans before and after with electrolyzed water, and it mists the bowl so waste doesn't stick. Less paper, noticeably cleaner, and frankly a nicer start and end to your day. Everyone's skeptical until they try one, then they install them everywhere. Number 3. Rachio Smart Sprinkler Controller. If you've got a sprinkler system, this fixes its dumbest habit, watering during a downpour. The Rachio swaps your confusing dial timer for an app, then waters based on your actual plants, sun exposure, soil, and the local weather forecast, skipping cycles when rain is coming. You water exactly what your yard needs and not a drop more, which means a healthier lawn and a smaller water bill. It installs in about half an hour and works with almost any existing system. Set it once and forget irrigation exists. Number 2. PETLIBRO AI Pet Camera. Ever wonder what your dog actually gets up to while you're at work? This PETLIBRO camera tells you. It's a 360-degree, 1080p night vision pet cam that uses AI to recognize multiple pets, track their activity, and send you a daily summary of their day, naps, zoom eyes, mischief and all. Two-way audio lets you talk to them when the lunchtime guilt hits. It's basically a fitness tracker and a baby monitor for your pet rolled into one little device. For anyone who leaves a pet home alone, the daily report is reassuring and often hilarious. Number 1. Meter Pro Duo Smart Thermometer. Last one, and it'll make you look like an actual chef. The Meter Pro Duo is a completely wireless meat thermometer, no cord trapped in the oven door. Its probes read both the internal temperature of your food and the ambient heat, then the app walks you through the cook, estimates when it'll be done, and alerts you the moment it hits target. It survives up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit on a grill or smoker and tracks 2 pieces of meat at once. Cooking goes from anxious guessing to genuinely relaxing.